Good morning, Team Gifted. This is back to school week for us here in Tampa, Florida at Headlines Barbershop. And let me tell you, it gets crazy. Every single location at Headlines is so crazy that we don't have enough barbers to take care of the clients. We take care of as much clients as we can, but I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be the calm before the storm. So this right here is our Lando Lakes location. This is the calm before the storm. What up, Tito?
What's up, man?
How you doing, bro? That's Crab Blends in the house.
You are now listening to the House of Creation.
Now we get to sit down. I got 30 minutes to eat. Ooh. Mexican burrito. We got Tijuana Flats next door, so I'm about to smash this burrito. Then we're gonna get back to work. I got probably another 8 haircuts, maybe 10 haircuts left, so let's go ahead and eat this lunch. Thank you for this food, Jesus. Amen.
You are now listening to the House.
Go around, do a little B-roll of the other guys.
The House of Creation.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Barbershop. Nate, we still here, baby? We still here? Lex, we still here?
I'm here too.
What time is it? 7:15. We close at 7. We still rocking. I got one more in the chair. You got one more, Nate?
I got 3 more.
You got,
I got 5 more.
You got 5? Man, I'm going home after this. I don't know about them, but I'm going home. I got a family to go to. Nate is 30 years old, no baby, no wife.
Yo, what up, though?
We gonna go ahead and finish this cut, man. Get up out of here. All right. I just finished my last one. I did 16. My man Lex.
18.
PR?
18 PR. 14.
PR. Personal record. 18. He made 430 in one day. Bro, barbers make money, bro. Y'all sleeping.
Number 21 right here. 9 a.m. until
21.
21.
21, bro.
Give me that KG.
You wish you was that age, but I mean.
Got it.
Round 2 tomorrow. Back to school. Mayhem. Let's get it. Look. Y'all want to see something creepy? This dude is standing out here because there's a Dickie's barbecue restaurant in the same plaza as our barbershop. But this dude is standing out here holding this sign. Check this out.